Hi, and welcome to the 2025 AHR Expo this year. We're doing a special episode of Coffee with Cliff, and we're going to be looking at the I-TEC product. And I've got a special guest today. I've got Vaughn Smith, who is our K through 12 sales manager. So he works a lot with school products, so he's very knowledgeable about the I-TEC. So let's get started.
All right, thanks, Cliff. And I know we've got some great questions lined up and ready to field them and share some information.
What important information do we need to know about the I-TEC with R-454B refrigerant?
Dan, there's a lot of reasons why you would want to use the new R-454B unit. It meets all the local codes and state and national codes as an A2L refrigerant. Each unit has a leak detector built into the model of all of our units, including the I-TEC. When you're servicing the I-TEC, make sure you use equipment that's rated for R-454B, but it's a great choice because of the low global warming potential of the refrigerant.
What does a refrigerant leak detector sensor do in an I-TEC?
The refrigerant leak detector is a new device in these units required by new regulations located in the evaporator section of the unit, and it is designed upon detecting a leak of refrigerant to prevent unit operation, but it does energize the fan to disperse the refrigerant so that a concentration level stays low. This safety device is required and can be optional, but BART has made the decision to have it on every device to ensure the safety of the occupants.
Are the capacity and electrical requirements the same between the R-454B unit and the R-410A unit?
Yeah, Jacob, so the capacity will be about the same for all the models. In fact, some units will have a little higher capacity. You'll have to be very careful to look at the electrical data, but most of the models are the same. So make sure to review the new spec sheets for the R-454 products for both sets of information.
What if I have an application with a wall opening that varies from the standard I-TEC wall opening sleeve?
Wall sleeves are required with every installation on the Q-TEC, but we have discovered over time that we can be applied to non-standard openings and have developed a range of sleeve options to handle these situations. It's best if you have a non-standard opening or existing wall opening to call us, Cliff or myself, or technical service, and we can assist with selecting the right sleeve application for your project.
What ventilation options are available to improve indoor air quality?
Dan, we got a lot of options for indoor air quality, especially ventilation. We have classroom ventilators, we have economizers, and we have energy recovery ventilators. All these vent options work really well with the I-TEC. They're located in the bottom area of the unit, so you can pick from all of those. And then we also have UVC and bipolar ionization. Vaughn, what are some other things we can look at?
In addition to that, thanks, Cliff, we also have filtration options, various levels of MERV filters. Some of our other air cleaners can enhance the MERV rating of the filters, and recent studies have shown that ventilation along with enhanced filtration is the best way to ensure a healthy classroom.
Great. We've had a good show this year. I appreciate all the help from all of our guests that participated in this episode of Coffee with Cliff, and I hope you have a good time at the AHR show. Thanks a lot, Vaughn, for being a special guest.
Thanks for having me. Great weather down here in Orlando and having a good time seeing our customers and potential customers.
Great. Till next year.
Cheers.
Cheers.